Growing up with Neil, one of the main things I realized was Neil does not like to drive. Which was weird because growing up, he was one of the first guys in our group to have a car and to drive. But for some reason, he always found a way to either get us to drive over to his place or get someone else to drive. So in 2019, when I lived in Ottawa, Neil gave me a call. He said, "Hey, I'm coming down for a wedding. It's like, do you want to hang out?" I was like, "Okay, yeah, let's hang out." We had a good time. A week or two after, he was like, "Hey, I'm coming down to Ottawa again for work. Let's hang out." A week or two after that, he reached out again. He was like, "Hey, I'm down for Ottawa. It's like, do you want to hang out?" And like, dude, I like you, but this is weird. It's like, it's like, you don't like me that much to come down to Ottawa this much. After that, he introduced me to Maria. And then everything made sense. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up to Neil and Maria.
Dear Neil, my love for you has no depth. Its boundaries are ever expanding. I truly believe we were meant to find each other and be best friends forever. I feel lucky to have met you. My love and my life with you will be a never-ending story. I feel blessed to get to spend the rest of my life with you.
For me as a father, I think it's the most important that I hand over my daughter to somebody so trustworthy, so friendly, so welcoming.
Love is patience and kind. Love does not envy, boast, or proud. It does not dishonor others, self-seeking, or easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongs. It always protects, trusts, hopes, and perseveres. Because love never fails, and because you, Father, never ever fails.
In the presence of our family and friends, I, Neil, do take you, Maria, to be my wife. To have and to hold,
From this day forward.
for better or for worse,
For richer, for poor.
in sickness and in health,
In joy and in sorrow.
this is my solemn vow.